So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment problem solving through programming in C. Week first, assignment first. So the first question is, which of the following is a valid C variable name? 2 variable, variable underscore 2 variable minus 2 variable dot 2. So the answer of first question is B, variable underscore 2. Now the second question is, CPU comprises of, so these are the options: ALU, arithmetic and logic unit, registers, control unit, all of the above. So the answer of second question is all of the above. Now the third question is, choose the correct statement from the following. So these are the statements. So the answer of third question is B. C program are highly portable on any type of operating system platform, and a flow chart is a visual representation of the sequence of steps for solving a problem. Now the fourth question is, which of the following functions is used to read a single character from the keyboard in C? So these are the options: printf, scanf, get character, puts. So the answer of fourth question is C, get char. Now the fifth question is, what is the purpose of the hashtag include directive in a C program? So these are the option: to include a library file, to define a library file, to define a constant, to start the main function. So the answer of fifth question is A, to include a library file. Now the sixth question is, an interpreter reads the source code of a program. So these are the option: one line at a time, two line at a time, complete program in one stroke, none of these. So the answer of sixth question is A, one line at a time. Now the seventh question is, in C programming, what is the best way to comment multiple lines? So these are the option: using slash at the beginning of each line, enclosing the comment between slash multiply and multiply slash, using hashtag at the beginning of each line, enclosing the comment between curly braces. So the answer of seventh question is B, enclosing the comments between. So now the eighth question is, which of the following statement is true regarding variable declaration in C? So these are the option: a variable can be declared at any point in the program. Variable must be declared before they are used. Variable are automatically initialized to zero. Variable name can start with a digit. So the answer of eighth question is B. Variable must be declared before they are used. Now the ninth question is, what will be the output of the flowchart given below? So the answer of ninth question is 16. So why 16? Because A equal to 3, B equal to 2, B equal to A plus B. So 3 plus 2, 5. So B equal to 5, and B equal to A into B. So 5 into 2, 5 to the 10, and 5 by 5, 1. So 15 plus 1, 16. So the answer is 16. Now the 10th question is, the print value of A and B of the flowchart below are. So these are the structure: declare variable and assign value. A equal to 4 and B equal to 6. So A equal to A plus B. So the value of A is equal to 10. Now B is equal to A minus B. 10 minus 6. So the value of B is 4, and A is equal to A minus B. So A equal to A minus B, 10 minus 4. So A equal to 6. So the answer of 10th question is B, A equal to 6 and B equal to 4. So let's submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.